Hello dear subscribers, they'll show to you so how to install driver for AMD Radeon on your Mac. So you just need to download and install it. After just you can also just use driver for Windows 7 or Windows 8 if you just can't find some driver for your Windows 10. So like this one, install. Now just wait until it will successfully install it. After you will be able for now just tap on next, install. Here just choose express, next, accept, yes. So now you just need to wait until it will successfully install it on your Mac. So hope that everything will work. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, goodbye.